Pop, 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 balloons so high. Baby and shark are standing by. It's birthday time, come let's play counting balloons the fun way. Baby shark, baby smiles and claps with joy. High, high. Baby shark jumps like a toy. One red balloon flies in the air. Let's pop it now, are you there? Pop it burst, what a sound. One is gone, not around. One balloon, happy cheer. Two blue balloons floating high. Baby and shark give a try. Pop, pop, they both go away. Happy birthday, let's all play. Two balloons, count with me. Three green balloons start to dance. They say give us one more chance. Baby laugh, shark look shocked. These balloons are talking a lot. Oh wow, wow, what is this? Baby run, shark swims fast, trying to pop them at last. Pop one hides behind a tree. Now only two left, one to see. Counting fun, don't you stop. Suddenly balloons turn into cake. Birthday magic, wide awake. Baby claps, shark says wow. This is the best party now. Pop confetti in the air. Double birthday joy everywhere. Pop, pop, balloons, count and play. Baby and shark's birthday day. Laugh and sing, come join the fun. Happy birthday, everyone. Wow! Night is coming soft and slow. Tiny stars begin to glow. In a cozy room so warm and light, a little baby says good night. Baby lying in the bed, love pillow underhead, looking out the window bright, watching stars in the night light. Baby whispers to the sky, I wish I could fly up there and touch the stars shining fair. Wow! Then comes a flutter by the pane. Little owl in moonlight playing. Hello baby, don't you cry, I will take you to the sky. Baby smiles, eyes so wide. Owl says, come take a ride. I'll lift baby in the air, up and up without a care. Through the clouds they start to glide, moonlight shining side to side. Whoosh, whoosh, up they go, flying high and moving slow. Baby laughs with joyful sound. When stars are shining all around. And star one shining bright, so close I can feel the light. And star two glow and red. Hello star, I see you too. And star three dancing free, they are smiling back at me. Then star four more and more, the sky is like a magic door. And star five so alive, so alive. Stars are jumping, wow, they thrive. Floating softly through the night. Baby feels pure joy and light. Stars are singing lullaby. Moon is smiling in the sky. Twinkle, twinkle everywhere. Magic sparkles in the air. Owl says softly, time to go back to bed, nice and slow. Down they fly through clouds so deep. Baby yawns and starts to sleep back and touch the stars shining. Yippee! And touch the stars shining free. By wolf flies into the sky. Stars are glowing past the sky. Dreamy sleeps with smile so bright, dreaming of the starry flight. Five dino is stomping on the ground. Wow! Five dino is stomping on the ground. Stomp, 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 what a sound! One slipped down and hit a stone mound, so the jungle echoed with a groan. So the leader called the birds and the babe then said, no more dinos stomping around the ground. Four dinos were stomping on the ground. Stomp, 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 honk, honk sound. One fell off and hurt his toe, rolling down so slow, slow, slow. So the leader called the snake and the snake then said, stop these dinos from stomping the ground. Wow! Three dinos were stomping on the ground, stomping loud all around. One bumped into a jungle tree. Ouch! He shouted loudly. So the leader called the monkey and the monkey then said, these dinos are too wild on the ground. Two dinos were stomping on the ground. Stomp, stomp, stomp all around. One slipped in muddy hoops. What are we gonna do? So the leader called the lion and the lion then said, no more stomping on the ground. One dino was stomping on the ground. Stomp, stomp, no sound. He fell down with a tiny roar hissing and broke the jungle floor. So the leader called the wizard and the wizard then said, fix the ground. Wow. Fix the ground. They fixed the ground with magic glow. Now the jungle starts to flow. All dinos came back again, happy stomping in the rain. So the leader called the dinos and they then said, come on, let's stomp again tonight. Listen to other dino jungle songs. Baby shark's big birthday. Clap, 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 shout hooray. Cake is coming, yay, yay, yay. Ocean friends all gather round. Color balloons are floating around. Baby shark wears party hat. Where's my cake? I want it now. Thuddy yum yum, cake so sweet. Chocolate jelly, what a treat. Wait, wait, don't be late. Bring me my big birthday cake. Mommy shark brings a giant cake. Wiggle, wiggle, it starts to shake. Is it dancing? Is it alive? Cake said hello, what a surprise. Baby shark jumps back in shock. Cake starts spinning, tick tock tock. Shake, shake, funny cake. Wobble, wobble, silly cake. Is it real or is it fake? Talking, dancing birthday cake. Daddy shark says cut it fast. Cake runs away super fast. Grandma laughs, grandpa slips. Frosting lands on everyone's lips. Fish are sliding on the cream. This is wild, it's like a dream. Run, run, catch that cake. Don't let it escape the plate. Jump and splash and twist and shake. Catch that naughty birthday cake. Baby shark tries one more time. Come here, cake, you will be mine. He jumps up high, splash. Oh no! Falls straight into frosting snow. Now he's covered head to toe. Looks like cake. Hello, hello. Messy mess, what a sight. Baby shark is creamy white. Laugh, laugh, clap your fins. Hooray, fun, everybody wins. Cake stops running, soft and sweet. She